check this popular filter that is very popular right now on Twitter. And if you're curious to learn how you can use this effect, I'm going to show you in this video. It's super simple. Just go to the side search bar right there and write gold glamour filter. And then the next step, just click on a random video that you see right now here. And now click on bold glamour right there. So when you click on bold glamour right there, now you can use this effect. Now just click on use this effect. And that's pretty much what you have to. Now you can use this effect, and that's it. So I hope you learned something. I hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you and take care.